something good.
Suicide is a permanent solution to a temporary problem. No matter what you're going through right now, it doesn't mean that it's not going to end right now.
Stand up, dig in, let those challenges raise you up, let them elevate you, let their demands and their trials make you stronger. Adversity you face today turn you into a better person tomorrow.
You are worth more than diamonds. All the diamonds in the world, you are so precious. Every single one of your hearts, you can do something. Life is not always good. Life is always not rosy. But life is worth living.
There's one thing that if you did every single day, it would make an extraordinary difference in whatever mental health issue you're struggling with, and that is exercise. And the reason you've got to exercise every day is because what we know about human beings is that when you physically move, your physiology changes, and that changes your brain.
Take the time to rest, because just what if that resting is the key to world-class producing?
Get outside and exercise every single day as if your life depends upon it, because you know what? It does. Your brain needs it, your body needs it, your mental health needs it.
And I feel like if you had heart problems and saw a cardiologist, well, everyone would be concerned about you, would know you're doing better, and it would be open and honest with the crew. But the most complicated organ in your body, if you have a problem with this, suddenly we don't want to talk about that? No, and you can get over it. And that's what people need to realize. You can be cured. You can get past it.
I assure you, the clouds will lift. Right, there is sunlight above the clouds. You're just looking at the clouds right now. And they will lift, and crisis has come to teach you the big lesson you're meant to learn to move to your next level in the next chapter of your greatest life.
This depression will pass. It will go away, and something much better will take its place. But for right now, all that you really need to know is that you have to make it through.
Getting your heart rate up, getting outside, breathing, feeling connected, getting out of your house, which may make you feel depressed and trapped.
The man I am with you right now as I speak with as much authenticity as I know how to share is the result of my times in the valley of darkness.
Doing that every day, that physical push, you don't have to run. You don't have to go to an aerobics class. Get outside with your dog in the woods. Walk with a good friend for 2 or 3 miles. Doing that every single day not only moves your body, which changes your mind, it gets you out of your physical environment, which is one of the things that people with depression tend to have a hard time doing. And it also creates a bit of momentum and a bit of a routine in your life.
Every time I experience a bout of depression, I come out on the other end a different person, doing different things. But it's because I'm aware of what's happening and I'm aware. I want to see the opportunities as they present themselves to me instead of falling into the depths of a spiral down depression because I'm personally identified with what is happening when I'm upset.
And your schedule is not full and you actually feel like you're wasting your life because you're not this epic producer. What if those times were actually a different form of productivity? What if those times were actually being productive in a different way, where you're actually producing not in the world, but producing within yourself, producing strength, producing new insights, producing new ideas, producing new capabilities, producing new energies, producing new emotions, shifting from fear to love, because when you go through difficult times, what do you really do if you feel your fear and your pain? You release it. It's out of your system, and you grow in love and bravery and strength. What does that do to your craft? What does that do to your power? What does that do to your bravery? What does that do to the light that you bring into the...
It's easy. In fact, some of you today, you're here and you're going through the toughest season of your life. There will be seasons where we will suffer. There will be seasons of real pain. And the question is, how will you respond in those moments?
What's your why?
You need a why. Why do you need a why? Because some days you're going to say, I don't want to get up. But that why is going to say, push yourself. Get up. Your mama needs you. Your daddy needs you. Your children need you. Get up. Your why is going to push you when you can't push yourself. When you want to quit and give up, your why is going to give you that edge you need, that advantage you need, that lift that you need to get to the next level. Your why.
You better go inside. You still looking outside for the stuff that's already inside. You still looking for someone to save you when you already your superhero. You looking for some information from somebody when you already got what you need in your head. It's just time for you to get up and be the best version of you.
As you're going through your go-through and you ready to quit, you ready to give in because it don't look like you think it should look. You've been doing it for 5 years and it don't look like you think. You put all your money in it. You put all your time in it. People are looking at you crazy. 5 years you've invested. Oh, you have absolutely nothing to do with what happened to you. It's not your fault. You got knocked on the ground. You had absolutely nothing to do with that. And I'm not blaming you for that. But if I come back a week later, you still on the ground. That's your fault. If I come back a year later, you still on the ground, that's your fault. If you get knocked down, there's nothing you can do about it. But getting back up has every single thing to do with you. And you will promise me that from this day forward, you will not be defeated. Pain ain't permanent. Your pain ain't permanent. You can get through this. You're bigger than your pain. You're better than that.
Come on, you need to remember, this is not the first time you cried. This is not the first time you were hurt. This is not the first time you didn't have enough money. This is not the first diagnosis that came up from behind.
What if all of us took that attitude after we face a rejection and a no, or we have a meeting and no one shows up, or somebody say, you can count on me, and they don't come through? Nobody believes in you. You've lost again and again and again. The lights are cut off, but you're still looking at your dream, reviewing it every day, and say to yourself, it's not over until I win.
The harder the battle, the sweeter the victory. See, what you become in the process is more important than the dream. That's far more important. The kind of person you become, the character that you build, the courage that you develop, the faith that you're manifesting. Oh, it's something that you get up in the morning, you look yourself in the mirror, you're a different kind of person. You walk with a different kind of spirit. And people know that you know what life is, that you have embraced life. You knew it was hard, but you did it hard.
I don't care how good you are, I don't care how talented you are, I don't care how much you work on yourself. There are some times when things aren't going to go right. There are times when anything that can happen will happen.
Everybody has a turn back moment. Everybody has a crossroad. You can either decide to continue or to quit, to go forward or to go back.
I need you to evaluate yourself and ask yourself the question, how are you wired? When you have a trial or a tribulation, how are you wired? When you hear the word no, does it break you? I'm wired differently. I get excited about no. I love no. I love it. It turns me on. No, Eric, I'll be back. I'll be back. I'll be stronger when I come back.
Don't shun the no. Every no, you take the no and you recycle it. You hold on to it. You embrace every no, and you let each no make you callous to no. You get so strong that when you hear no, it turns you on.
There's gonna be some scars. The scars gonna come. You might as well get blessed by the scars. They gonna come. There's gonna be scars. There's gonna be defects. There's gonna be problems. You running from the blessing. There's gonna be scars. There's gonna be some hiccups. We gonna take some L's. We gonna get hurt. We gonna cry. We all go through it. You think you the only one? Some of you though, you let your pain pump you. You let your pain make you quit.
If you get past it, on the other side of it, it's going to be phenomenal.
I don't want to go through this process, but nevertheless, take me through the fire.
I need you to look at that sickness that's going on in your life right now, whatever it is. I want you to say, I can beat it. I will beat it. I must. I got a family to live for. I ain't through yet. My life ain't over yet. There's some things in life you don't need no degree for. You don't need no money for it. You don't need no support for it. There's some things in life you just gonna get through when you tell yourself, I'm gonna get through this.
Nothing can stop you. The only thing that can stop you is you. No situation, no circumstance, no piece of adversity can define your life. Never let a circumstance define you.
And I'm not retreating. I'm not running. I don't care what they say on paper. I don't care if you say we outnumbered. We live by this and we die by this. We don't retreat. We don't run. We gonna stand, we gonna live, and we gonna die by what we stand for, and everybody gonna know what we represent and what we're a part of.
I got staying power. I got staying power.
Be encouraged today that no matter what you've walked through, no matter how broken your marriage is, no matter how many times you failed,
there is within you
Lord Banks FX. Lord Banks FX welcomes you to this live stream of live Forex trading. A whole 3 hours of news.
We begin with that wild ride on Wall Street.
You're seeing new record highs on the S&P and NASDAQ.
Interviews.
Some will make money, some will lose money, but that's just the way the markets always work.
Analysis and live trades. So sit back, lock in, and load up your trading terminals. And let's get this rocket to blast off. Introducing your host, Lord Banks FX. Prepare for launch in 3, 2, 1.
Sorry guys, my mic was off. What's good, everybody? Good morning, good morning, good morning. How's everybody doing? Looking good. Feeling great. Let's get it. All right, guys. Let's turn the vibe on. All right. Let me move this out the way so TikTok can see. If you guys want to see the full screen TikTok, go ahead, join me on YouTube. Another lovely London session. Let's get it, baby. Cheers. All right. Good morning, everybody. Darren, Romario, Sonny, what's good in the house? Tony, Penda, FX Crazy Jet, hello. Let's get it, baby. All right, you guys can see the chart. You guys can hear me okay? Let me know in the chat real quick. Good morning. All is well. Ooh. Looks like GJ is a little bullish there. Hasn't broken lows, hasn't broken highs, kind of just playing around on the monthly. Weekly. Last week was bullish, but it was an inside candle of the previous week. Didn't break the lows, didn't break the highs. Current weekly already broke the highs, created a bottom wick. We could be continuing to the upside. Looks like it already broke these highs, so could push up. All right, looking at the daily. Yo, is this like too much light? Like, cause I have another light that I just added. Let me know when you drop in the OnlyFans holiday special. Y'all want the link already or what? Who saw the video? I got some exciting news, guys. I don't know about y'all, man, but we finishing out 2022 like a movie, baby. It's crazy. Yeah, I've been working on some things, man. Let me know if you guys want me to drop the link. See if it's ready for y'all. hit y'all with that link. Get y'all right. I was just trying to see what the 4-hour structure looked like, but let me go ahead and get our tops and bottoms in here. GJ had a nice little run over here. Pulled up into this territory. I mean, she'll look nice above there. Oh, these wicks are ugly, to be honest. This was, what, CPI today? What does the news look like? We got Swiss news coming in. GBP news coming in at 6 a.m. 7:30 a.m. we got USD news. Yeah. Gotta be careful with that. Gotta be careful. I'm gonna move this down here because we could get a wick fill down here. It'll give us an opportunity. Holiday specials. Morning, boys. What up, CJ? No, not too much light. My goal is to go up to the 300K account by June. Nice. Nice little range here. Break to the upside would be about 50 pips, 71.86. Break to the downside, 30 pips, 54.80. All right. Set some alerts on this. GJ sending that out to the chat, or I mean to Telegram. send the link out to the chat, YouTube. Yeah, guys, if you're not in the free Telegram, I mean, you're gonna miss out on announcements, updates, and all that good stuff. I dropped a little video of the final testing of my LBFX hedge fund EA. It is a EA I've been working on to pass challenges, and it's ready to go. I wanted to do a release for 2023, but I shared it with some of you guys, and you guys were asking for the link, so we'll see if you guys are interested. I might share that. I haven't decided yet if I should or not. No, I haven't caught up on messages on Telegram, Sonny. My bad. I just sent you guys that on the admin chat, and then I need to catch up on the messages in Telegram, because I have a lot of people that have reached out to me. I need to catch up on that. Yeah, guys, sometimes I just get like busy and focused on things, and like I've been focused on the EA stuff and the mobile app stuff. And you know, just trying to knock this stuff out. So look at gold. I'm gonna wait to the bottom. Kind of looks like a doji here last week. Pushing down, already created top wick, hasn't broken the low. See what this daily looks like. Yesterday closed doji, currently bearish, broke the low previous day. She might come down to test this level of support, 1780. 1780.20 or something. Yeah. 1780, 1781. Let's look at the 4 hour. I mean, she's definitely riding up, but we might catch a downside move to kind of complete this pattern here. nice little buy opportunity over here. Actually, I would wait till up here. Close above there. We could ride this up here. All right. So Gold and GJ both set up. Just sent those out. It looks like, I mean, they're both kind of just chilling right now. Anyways, let me so do you guys have questions on the EA and what I was talking about and what I sent out? I can answer those now. I don't know if the link is ready yet for yeah, let me check. Oh yeah, I got the link. I do got the link. You talking about a fake out on gold for a buy? I send the chart to the free Telegram. The link, if you guys are looking for the link. All my links are here, guys, all the time. Does not change. The free Telegram, Discord, all that, you can find that in that link. Okay, so hold on a second, I need to do something. What's going on here? Yeah, who's trying to... Yeah, guys, don't fall for those things that people be on Discord trying to impersonate me. Yeah, I don't, I would never reach out to you guys. Like... Let's see here. Shut up, this guy, that wasn't you. I just sent the guy my life savings. He promised me 100% in 7 days. Shut up. There's no, I hope you're joking. But anyways, poll for new chart candle colors. I guess. I mean, you guys want to change the colors of the candles? Let me know. Let me know. Yo, did we just go offline or what? What the hell? Can you guys still hear me, see me? Loud and clear, yeah. I don't know what happened over here. I guess that thing, my OBS like blinked out. It was weird. Alright guys, if you go to the link I just opened up, hopefully everything's working right, but I just opened up the link for what we were talking about, the LBFX hedge fund EA. So essentially what it is I've been working on EA for just like regular day trading, and I was like you got to understand the way those things work. They work on logic and systems, right? So as I was developing it, like I came across an idea of like developing it to trade how institutions and banks trade, more in a like high frequency trading type of thing. So I wanted to do that because we could pass challenges quicker and like almost zero drawdown. So I'd started tweaking it like a few months back, because I have another EA that is just like for regular normal day trading. So I started working on tweaking it and testing it out, and it's been like working, and then like I have to adjust and change the settings and stuff like that. So today was like I don't know, maybe the 4th or 5th account that I've done using it, and I mean, it's working flawlessly. I mean, I'm really excited about it. So if you saw the video, guys, basically it was using the EA on a prop firm challenge for 100K, and it made like 13K today. So it was just, I mean, pretty amazing. So I'm using that now to launch the Challenge Pass service, and when you sign up for the service, there is a service fee, but you're going to be using my developed LBFX hedge fund EA, and I've tweaked this enough so it can actually work in two ways. Because one of the questions that one of the comments I kept seeing come up was, okay, so if you're going to pass people's challenges, how's that going to help them? Because they're just going to get their account, and then they're just going to, you know, fail it, like, or violate the parameters, right? The rules once they get a live funded account. So the same EA, I have different settings to apply to it that I can use in the live account management. The live account management service I won't roll out till probably in the new year in 2023, because there's a couple of different things I gotta go over for that. But the EA is gonna work for that as well. But for now, like for people that are looking to have their challenges passed, the EA works phenomenal. It passes like 1 to 2 days, and that's what I've really been focused on. So yeah, so yeah, you gotta, like, I'm not giving out the actual bot because it's a lot of technicalities behind it, and I create like set files that I have to use, and there's still a little bit of manual work when you're reading the market initially and setting the set files. I don't have it linked to the my FX book thing, but I do have some like video recordings of like it doing its thing, so I'll upload those in Telegram. Yeah, so the way you use it, guys, is if you follow that link and sign up for the service, you sign up for the Challenge Pass service, and the EA will be the one passing your challenges. And then in the new year, I'll be launching the live account management service. It's going to be using the same EA, just different types of settings. Yeah, so the bot itself, I'm not like selling the bot itself. I'm just selling the service of passing the challenges. That's what you can get right now. I'm just opening it up for whoever's here on the live, and you know, people in the Telegram. I can probably share the link, and let's see here. I'll probably like just let like a handful in, maybe like 10 or 15 people, so they can like get in there and use it. But I've tried this on 50K accounts. I tried it on 200K accounts, 100K accounts, and 500K accounts. I tried all of those. The only thing right now is identifying prop firms that allow that, and there's 2 that I've been using to test it out on. Are we back? Are we back? Are we back? Are we back on the live? Yeah, guys, if you're messaging me on the, oh, can you guys hear me? Where's my, I don't know. Yeah, so if you do the account, like whichever one you choose, it'll take you to the payment portal. Once you pay it, it'll take you to the portal where you submit the information. So just make sure you go through that. If for whatever reason you can't find that, just raise a support ticket in Discord, and I'll make sure you guys are taken care of. Anyways, we're just waiting on a breakout here, guys, either above or below. Gold is almost there. I think gold might give us our shot here. What was this move though? This was about 50 pips right there. Yeah, I kind of want to see it pull back and before it breaks. We'll see. There's 2 prop firms right now. Yeah, like if you just click on the link, I put in there like kind of FAQ kind of information. it'll give you all the info that you need in there. Are you guys, is it just my thing or what the hell's going on here? Oh, okay. I think I'm just tripping. Yeah, and I'm just like releasing it right now with you guys because I sent out the video and you guys seem pretty excited. I was really planning on doing it for next year, for the beginning of the year, but I mean, this thing is just tearing through them, so I mean, why not? Let's get it. This is gold. I'm looking at gold right now. This is on TradingView, guys. It's on TradingView. Yeah, I'll probably just do, I don't know, like a small batch of like 10 people. Oh, I think like 7 people already. I don't know if they checked out, but there's like, I just got seven notifications. I'll leave it open while we're on the live. Yeah, like whenever you do it, you want to have your account info stuff because it'll go to the sign. It'll go to the request form where it'll ask for that information. So, just signed up and paid for 50K, very key. Nice, congrats. What company should we try to get funded for that works best for the service you're offering? There's 2 prop firms right now that it's been working flawlessly. Like I've done like 5 tests on each. Well, it's 50, 100, 200, and 500. And then the other one is, I think it's like 100, 200, 300 or something like that. So it's been like quite a few tests, and they all passed. Yeah, I haven't had any issues with them, and I haven't heard of any issues with the prop firm. But I'll tell you, like most prop firms will have like demo accounts even when you're funded. You know, like it'll say demo. I only know of like I think one that actually has like a live account. Even FTMO, when you're funded, it says demo, because it's still connected to their mass data or mass like account, master account. So even with any of those, you'll still. So the way the EA works is it's using high frequency trading. So if you don't know what high frequency trading is, this is how institutions, hedge funds, banks, like that's how they actually trade. They don't even really look at candles, like none of that. It's like just price up and down, constant trading, like super quick. I mean, they're trading on, you know, we're trading on the 15-minute chart here. They're trading on the seconds, like 30 seconds, 10 seconds, you know? So if you look at the video that I uploaded in the Telegram, you can see the trades taken. They're like, I mean, super quick. I mean, we're talking about 1/10 of a second difference when they're executing, you know, like sells and buys and back and forth. Like, talking about in the span of, let's see, 159, 3-4 seconds, about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades executed and closed. So it's essentially using that strategy to like take 2, 3, 4, 5 pips, like, but like we're talking about over and over and over and over and over and over, you know. So you do that and then set parameters to mind, you know, the risk management, like also mind what instruments you're trading, what assets. The one that I've developed so far, I have successfully tested set files for US 30 and NAS 100 and German 30. So there's other ones that are out there and it can work with some currency pairs, but like I haven't had anything fail with these, so pretty exciting. If you're looking for the link, you can go here, guys. For the people on TikTok. Yeah, and then the other one, the Scalper EA, I have it set up for Euro USD, AUD USD, USD CAD, USD Swiss, USD JPY, and GBP USD. But this one is not high frequency trading. This is just scalps that it'll intraday trade. And it does a pretty good job, but I'm still working on like setting up some parameters. What happened was on one of my accounts, like, you know how I don't trade Fridays, it ended up like taking some trades on Friday. It couldn't close out because of the end of the market, and then I got stuck in drawdown like over the weekend, and then Monday it was like a shit show. So like I need to tweak those settings for that one to be ready to go. And then I got also the designs back, the initial designs for the app. They're currently coding some of the functionalities, and I should be testing at the end of the month. And I'll probably ask some of you guys to beta test the new app. So in the app, guys, we're gonna have our live sessions are gonna be in the app. I'm gonna upload like the breakdowns and the updates for intraday and swings. So not just sending out like signals, trade ideas in VIP. It's gonna be more of a like, this is the area, so you can see the market the way I look at it and have multiple opportunities, not just one. Yeah, for the starting capital for the scalping EA, not the hedge fund one for the challenges, but the scalping one, you have to have at least $1,500 in the account, and that thing will go to work. And for that one, what I'll do is I'll probably I don't know how I want to offer that, like, because the thing is that it still needs management of the settings, right? Like I'll still need to, maybe I can just like let you guys use that one and then play with the settings how you want, and then I'll send you guys like set file like downloadables like every week or something like that, or every other day or something, because you do have to monitor that. Like that's the only reason I kind of got into the EAs, because a lot of things I was looking at is like I just couldn't understand. I couldn't believe that an EA could always be profitable, and it can't. Like, it can when someone sees it at first, but the market shifts and changes. So you have to be on top of that. You know what I'm saying? So for me, I look at that and I'm like, okay, it can work as long as someone's tweaking the settings, right? So, you know, that's what I went ahead and did. Yeah, during the interviews, the 1% say they don't use Fibonacci nor charts. Yeah, I mean, like, if I'm being completely honest with you guys, like, you're not gonna, you can make money the way we trade as retail traders. It is not the way banks and institutions trade. And there's all these like, oh, you know, you got to trade like the banks and this and that. Listen, they don't trade like, they don't even look at charts, candlesticks, none of this. Like, they're looking at price, man. And they have like, they're moving tons of money very, very quickly, you know? We would own 100% the account after passing the challenge. Yeah, I mean, you're purchasing your own challenge. I think my thing disconnected again. No, we're not entering yet, guys. We're waiting. We're waiting on price. That's what we talked about here. It is pumped up, pushing down now. See, imagine if we would have put our breakout right here on this level. It would have broke out, triggered. We would have bought, and this would have just came right down. We just avoided an L right there. Oh, that's what I was gonna do. I think I have How you been? Long time no live. It's just been Tuesday and Wednesday, bro. I was live last week. It's been Tuesday and Wednesday. That's funny. Just waiting, guys. Just waiting. I've been checking every day last week. They said I saw you even woke up early for UK time. Yeah, I mean, I was live last week. What you mean? Go back and look at my videos on YouTube. I'm telling you. Yeah, the last live I did was actually, I lied. I think the last live was on the 6th. I didn't do Wednesday or Thursday. I might have done just like New York with VIP. What? CPI news. Don't trade it, man. Don't trade CPI news. Everybody missed CJ Zooms. What's up with that? How did you do, CJ? How did it go? I didn't even get to see. I didn't even get to see, man. Sorry guys, this guy's messaging me. I wonder if I can share with you guys. Wait, where is? Oh man. Where is? I don't know where it's at. I was trying to get like the mock-up design of how to delete some fucking links. He took his face in the chat. Why are you not taking trades? Because we're waiting for the setup, bro. Like, do you just I'm just curious, but do you just jump on the chart and then just immediately take buys or sells? Like, is that how you trade? And if you do, like, I'm curious to know how successful you are with that. Because, I mean, if you are, that's pretty cool, man. It's pretty cool for me. Oh yeah, and next month in January, so in the app, I'm gonna have the lives, I'm gonna have the breakdowns, I'm gonna have the updates, the trade ideas, the chart markups, the set files, the EAs, and we're also gonna have like the podcast. So I want to start like just the podcast primarily. I mean, it's going to be over trading, but I want to talk more about like the psychology side of things. And then I'd like to like interview some of my like LBFX students, some of the people that I've done one-on-ones with, and then just other traders, you know, to get other perspectives and whatnot. So we'll be doing that next month. Like next month, I'm gonna be like recording those, and I'm not sure. I don't think the app will be done by next month, but hopefully we get like a beta version or something. Yeah, so we'll move off of Telegram. Like for all the stuff, like you'll get it through the app. Really, I'm doing it because like, well, when I lost access to my social and my logins and stuff, it was just something that I just felt like it was necessary to create my own, because I got hacked, and it's easy for someone to just like take over your account or kick you off. You know, I've been banned sometimes on TikTok, and YouTube freaking mutes me, and I can't even jam out, listen to my songs. CJ did great. Nice. Good stuff. Good stuff. I'm also in the app, like one of the features I'm working for them. Like, it's not going to be the feature that's available right away, but I'm working to create a feature where other traders can have their private rooms, like CJ, Sunny, Tony, like you guys can have your private room with your trade ideas, your information, like, and if people want to access that and follow that, they can. So that'll be coming on the new LBFX app. I've been working, guys. I've been working to bring you guys more value. More value. More value. So, yeah. We were just on gold. Gold, look at that. This could have just been a pullback continuation to the downside. I mean, this is a massive move though. No wick to the top. This could probably like break a bit, pull back up before it mounts. Might see something like that. What you mean, Lloyd Banks? What? No, Lord Banks. Nice call last week, Tuesday. Was that the gold trade? She was nice, and New York session was nice too. Cashed out on US 30. Yeah, last week I had some personal things Wednesday and Thursday. That's why I wasn't live. Held the buy till 169 on GJ. Nice. Nice. Yeah, so you guys know how I do the Sunday analysis, weekly analysis breakdown and stuff. Look at this. We're waiting for a breakout above. Broke out. That was nice. Came back, retested. Look, pushed back up. Gold came down a bit, but ended up pushing way up. Look at this. If you would have got into this here, you'd have made profits. Right there. Came back up, retested the trend line. This still, GU still hadn't broken the trend line. USD CAD, look at this, broke out. It's nice. Could have made some money there. Euro AUD, we were waiting, it was ranging in this channel. This one still hasn't broken out. Just playing the trend line. This one too, just popped up. NAS 100 ended up breaking out a bit, but then reversed. Probably the same thing for, yeah. Oh, well, this one would have been nice. Break right here. This would have been a really nice payout right here. Yeah, so the app will have like automatic updates, like it'll have push notifications to your phone, and it'll have like desktop version if you want to see it on the desktop or on your phone, like whichever one you choose. Yo, this thing froze on me again. Oh no, there it goes. This is on TradingView, guys. I use TradingView to mark up the charts, and then I use MetaTrader to actually execute trades. This is gold. We're looking at gold here. SBF was heard by Congress wearing polka dot shorts and flip-flops. Nothing can stop us today. That's funny. I don't use any indicators, guys. Straight price action, naked charts. What you see on the chart is marked up by me. I marked it up at the beginning. I do top-down analysis, and that's where the markups come in. Other than that, I do not use any indicators. No volume indicators, no Fibonacci, no moving averages, no Ichimoku, no MACD, no RSI, none of that. I know how all of them work, and I even have strategies with some indicators, but I don't use them. There's nothing like good old-fashioned price action, baby. Price doesn't lie. You know how like indicators, like when they're printing and they could trigger a signal, right? A buy or sell signal for you, or buy or sell confirmation. And then it will it could change, like if the next candle changes things for it could change, like reprint, so Yo, I don't know what's going on with my OBS, but it keeps blanking out. Hopefully it's not affecting over here. Yeah, so the strategy that I use for the live session, guys, here is my own breakout strategy. Okay, I know there's probably other people that trade breakout, and I don't care how they do it. I trade it this way, and when I do my live sessions, I use this strategy. But I have 20 other strategies for other things, other situations, different markets, different assets. It just depends. Intraday, swing trading, and I use different stuff, and all that stuff will be in the app. But for time's sake, we only have 3-4 hours here. It's 1:22. It's about to be. We're in pre-market open. London's about to open up, so I'm trying to set up a trade and have it trigger while on the live session and be able to execute it, manage it, and take profit. So that's why I use this strategy for this session, for this live. Yeah, so volume, when I talk about I don't use indicators for volume, you understand you can read volume based on the candles. The bodies of the candles is the volume. You can see that. You can see that, look at this previous 15-minute candle here. This body is bigger than the previous bearish. What does that mean to you? That means we had more buyers than we had sellers in the previous 15. Right? You can see volume with the size of these candles in relation to the previous candles that were printed, in relation to historical price points before, right to the left, what you see. That would have been a nice entry here on the pullback. Remember I told you guys it's going to push down then pull back. This could have been the pullback. And you know what? It might come back up here. Like in this area. You could take a trade, something like that. Well, that's a different strategy. Is this the last live of the year? Oh man, I don't know. I'm not trading my account anymore. I usually don't even trade it December, but I finished trading it last week because last week I had a phenomenal trade on US 30. So I'm done on my personal account, but I don't know. I may go live. I may go live and just share my the MetaTrader for the EA, and like so you guys can see it passing challenges. Or I might just go live on the Discord, or like send a Zoom link. I don't know. It depends. The music in the background is called Lo-Fi, Feel Alive, Lo-Fi, Hip Hop, and Chill Hop Music. Chill Lo-Fi Music 2022. If you search that on YouTube, you will find the track that I'm listening to. This is the only thing that that doesn't get violated, copyright, whatever, with YouTube. What do you mean you don't write anything? I don't understand. Why don't you trade in December? So I don't trade in December because traditionally the volume is shifty. The way the market moves is kind of erratic because of the lack of volume. So like I tend to stay out of the market. You know, I like nice movement. I'm not saying there's not opportunities, there is, but I'm not the type to be trying to chasing down opportunities. You know, it's just different. Use StreamYard so you and your traders can do live collaborations. Yeah, so the only thing about that, that I use StreamYard whenever I did the live session with Trading Nut. Whenever I had I traded live on Trading Nut's channel, I use StreamYard, but the thing is there's a lag, a bigger lag than normally. Like right now on YouTube, there's like a 3-second lag, you know, like 2-3 second lag. But on StreamYard, there was like 1 to 2 minute lag. Like it was a lot longer, and the way I trade, like it's just not feasible for that. But maybe I can use StreamYard for like the podcasting and interviews and stuff like that. But yeah, I do have StreamYard. What do you use to stream? I'm just using OBS. Let's see. Somebody asked here. I haven't taken a trade today. Which EA you mentioned to pass the challenges? The EA is one I created myself. I created the EA myself. It was basically a hybrid of the first EA that I made was for scalping and just to trade. And then the EA that I made was for trading. And then the EA that I made was for scalping and just to trade. And then the EA that I made was for scalping and just to trade. And then the EA that I made was for scalping and just to trade. And then the EA that I made was for scalping and just to trade. And then the EA that I made was for scalping and just to trade. And then the EA that I made was for scalping and just to trade. And then the EA that I made was for scalping and just to trade. And then the EA that I made was for scalping and just to trade. And then the EA that I made was for scalping and just to trade. And then the EA that I made was for scalping and just to trade. And then the EA that I made was for scalping and just to trade. And then the EA that I made was for scalping and just to trade. And then the EA that I made was for scalping and just to trade. And then the EA that I made was for scalping and just to trade. And then the EA that I made was for scalping and just to trade. And then the EA that I made was for scalping and just to trade. And then the EA that I made was for scalping and just to I ended up like coming up with this idea to trade it for challenge accounts, but I really wanted to use the high frequency trading model. And so I've been working on this for probably the better half of 6 months or so, and I think the last like 3 months, I've really seen some really good progress, and then seen some really nice results, and I shared that on Telegram. Today, one of the 100K accounts that it was on, it made like 13K on. How do we know that you're live on Discord? I'll probably like send out a notification on Discord, and I'm gonna try to do like kind of like a schedule in my announcements. That way you guys can kind of know when I'll be going live. Wow, that's a long lag. I heard video capture cards help with delays. Maybe. Best way to learn Forex? I would, there's a lot of material out there, and it's hard to like kind of put it into an organized manner, but you know, I would find somebody that you relate to, that you can like actually learn easily from, and then just soak up what they're giving you. You know, I'm not saying it doesn't have to be me. I'm just, and whoever you choose, though, I would probably, like if I was to try to find someone online on YouTube or something, that I don't go for those, don't go for the people that are flashing stacks of cash. You know, like I would go for somebody that live trades, you know, and then just kind of leech onto that and learn info, like soak it up, because sometimes like, you know, you just find really great network marketers that don't really know how to trade. So I would suggest, you know, like they should at least once or something, like show you that they can actually trade live and that they know what they're talking about, and not just go for somebody that is taking pictures in front of a fancy car, or showing you stacks of money. I find it odd that people have an affinity to that when people are showing stacks of money, because you know the reality is, like, in the world that we live in right now, nobody even uses cash. Like you're more than likely just using like either a credit card or debit card, but like plastic and digital, right? So this person went to the bank and withdrew a large sum of money for the like purpose of triggering an emotion within you, you know? If that's not a red flag, I don't know what is, dude. You know what I'm saying? Like, I think that, I don't know, some people fall for that, but I'm sorry if you do. But yeah, to join the LBFX Academy, the link is in the links in the description. If you go here, you'll find the link to the course, and yeah, I think it's the second button. Yeah, if you I think if you're still the course, no, actually I don't think it's on there anymore, because I think I had like the lifetime access to VIP for people that were getting in the course, but I I don't think that's on anymore. I was gonna mention that, but I think I just did that for the Black Friday sale. No, I'm not trading my personal account anymore. I'm done till probably like the end of February, March or something. Let's see how the markets are. But yeah, usually December, January I don't mess with. Yeah, MetaTrader 4. Yeah, just kind of a slow market right now. What's the win rate of this strategy? The breakout strategy, it has a high win rate because we're, for the most part, taking partials and moving stops to break even at TP1, like at 1-to-1. So usually if it has a lower win rate, it has a higher risk to reward, right? Like you're taking trades that are 1-to-3, 1-to-5, 1-to-12, but because of the time constraint and what we're trying to accomplish within the amount of time, we're just taking quick trades, 10, 15, 20 pips. We're not looking for huge moves. We're not trying to catch the whole move. We're just trying to catch a quick move, you know, make our money. Is there a difference between MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5? Yeah, so there is a couple subtle differences. MetaTrader 5 just has a little bit more features and tools that you can use, and it's newer. But it depends on the broker that you're using and what they have available, because not all brokers will have both MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 available. So figure out what your broker offers, because some of them may just offer MetaTrader 4. Is it still a good time to use the EA for trading and passing the challenge? Yeah, that is not affected because it's a high frequency trader. So it's taking, like we're talking about, it's making trading decisions seconds. Like in 4 seconds, it traded 4 different times. Like ridiculous. Like it's literally just taking 2, 3, 4, 5 pips, but it's profit, right? But it's doing that for like 6 hours, right? So if it takes trades every 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds, like you'll have a lot of transactions, but it amounts to the goal, right? Yeah, like the video I submitted today, it's uploaded on Telegram. That was of today, literally at like 3 o'clock. And I actually left that thing going, and it ended up closing. Let's see. If I look at the history from Tuesday to today, it made 31,339 with 31 cents. Insane. Insane. And it took, I mean, a hell of a lot of trades. I don't even know how many this is, but it's a lot. So we need to sign up with one of those prop firms before signing up, correct? Yeah, I mean, either way, I mean, like if you purchase the, like I would suggest getting the prop firm because you need the account details and stuff for whenever you sign up for the service, because it'll ask you in the registration. Whenever you click the link, guys, it'll ask you what account size you purchased, and then after that you pay for that fee, account size fee, and then it'll ask for your login details, your trading account info, like the login number, the account number, your account password, and the broker server. And you need that info. So like, it's probably best if you sign up for the prop firm first and then get those details and then sign up for the challenge service. Look at this. This thing is coming back down. I told you guys this little pullback and then this down here. I just have a feeling like this thing is gonna keep pushing down. It's 1:40. Time in London right now is 7:40. London Open happens here in like 20 minutes. This thing is just, actually look at this here. About 15 pips. It's a little dicey. A little dicey right there. Yeah, guys. So remember, I mention this probably every single live, is our job as traders is not to predict price. Our job as traders is to react to price. Okay. That's, for me, it's one of the biggest tells. Seeing a trader tell you, oh, it's going to go to this level and hit this price, this exact number. And I mean, I've seen some traders that they get it right. I mean, it hits it, but I think that's more luck than anything, because it's just, it's going to go one or the other, right? One way or the other. Or if you wait long enough, it'll finally get to that price. But for me, like, I tried to tell you guys, like, as a trader, you should be focused on reacting to price, right? Instead of trying to predict it. After you pass the challenge, well, you get a live funded account. Like after the EA passes it, you'll have a live funded account, and then I'll have the live account management service. I'll open that up probably at the beginning of the year, which is in like the next, I don't know, 2 weeks. So based on my analysis, your entry would have been 1806.16. Demonstrate how you do it in TP set. No, I mean, I don't have an entry. I don't have an entry at all. Like, what do you mean? You talking about the breakout from here? Or what? If you were playing this breakout here, this candle would have broke, you would have entered, put your stops above here, and you would have taken the sell. I don't know What exactly? You guys understand too, right? This line here doesn't mean you just sell, or I mean you buy when it breaks it or sell when it breaks it. Like, I'm waiting for price to get here. I'm waiting for the candle to break it. I'm waiting for the candle to close. And I'm reading that price action in relation to the previous candles to see if this is something that is within our risk to reward and beneficial for us, right? If it's not like within the metrics to benefit us, like, we're not going to take it, you know? It has to meet my rules, right? Gold is pumping down. This might break here. Sorry, this thing is, I'm trying to fix the mic here. So what was the poll on the colors? What did you guys decide? Gold. This is what I'm looking at. To break out below here, to move down into this area. To move down into this area. Red and green. A lot more people have issues with red and green because of the psychological. Can you look at your screen and reply? What do you mean? Reply what? Yeah, I usually, because TikTok kind of goes a little quicker with the messages and they disappear, like it's easier for me to look at the chat and on YouTube. So we have gold breaking out to the downside. This might be a nice sell opportunity if we can manage to get this within favorable risk to reward. parameters. We got about 11.5 minutes left on the candle. So maybe we do, maybe we don't. We'll see. Gotta wait for the candle to close. Let the market tell us, guys. We let the market tell us what it wants to do. We're just here to excuse me. Coffee number 5. CJ, you didn't even go to sleep, did you? Are you guys on holiday yet? Or you got class in the morning? Look at this. She's breaking. We still got about 9.5 minutes. Look, no, I'm just a menace. Not get up on Friday. No, I'm not in a sale yet. I'll tell you guys when I jump in. What other factors do I consider? I consider whether or not the candle, how large it is, right? The body of the candle. Is it an impulse move? Does it have a wick to the top, to the bottom? Does the potential next target, is it within at least a minimum of 1-to-1 risk to reward? You know? FX Bounty Hunter was good. Morning. Yeah, hey, I'm catching up on my DMs. Like, I will get to it today, hopefully. I know we're gonna use the new EA on yours, on your challenge account that we're gonna do. But I'll message you after this. I know there's like 2 of you. Damn, look at this. Like, see, the only way we'll have like an opportunity here is if we get a pullback. Like, if this candle closes down here, look at this. Just look at the math, right? Like, you start closing down here, the risk to reward starts getting smaller and smaller, right? So once it becomes less than 1, like right here, it's no longer worth it because our first target is right here. So that's one of the things that I consider, right? So we'll just wait to see how this thing closes. We got about 7 minutes, guys. 7 minutes. Ideally, I would like this to be like around here. About 30 pip. That would be nice. But we'll see. We'll see if it's worth it for us. See, it's already back at this level. So we have about 6 minutes left, and like around maybe like 5 seconds left, guys. If it's like around this area, that's like where we want to get in, and we'll be putting our stops above the wick, right? Yeah, I mean, what we're looking at right now, I mean, if it was to close right here, we'd be looking at about a 36 pip stop loss. But we don't want that. We want it to push up, right? That's the goal. That's the goal. We got about 5 minutes, guys. 5 minutes. Four minutes, guys. 4 minutes. Yeah, so the daily average range for a pair, like I'm looking at that during top-down analysis, but since I usually just stick with gold and GJ, I kind of know on average how much it's moving, you know? Look at that. Almost too good to be true, huh? Almost too good to be true. 3.5 minutes, guys. We have potential sales going on. We have potential sales for gold. So just get ready. We're not there yet, but potential sales on gold. We got 3 minutes left. If we get a body close below this yellow line, we're gonna take a sell, and we're gonna make some money today. Who's riding with me today? Who's gonna take the trade with me today? Two minutes. I'm ready, bro. Some of you guys really ready. 2 minutes, 2 minutes. You talking about this area here? We got a minute and a half. Oh, she's sneaking back up. It's looking like about a 26 pip. Yeah, about a 26 pip stop. 27, 28 pip stop. Got a minute left. If the candle closes back above, then I'm not getting in, guys. Okay? 50 seconds, guys. 50 seconds. Looking at about a 27 pip stop. $40 seconds, guys. 40 seconds. About a 29 pip stop. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. $20 seconds, guys. 20 seconds. $10 seconds, guys. About a 30 pip stop. 30 pip stop. 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna go ahead and jump in, guys, on a sell. Okay, I am in. And this is gonna be 29 pip. Stop. Stops are above the previous wick. Oh, come on now. Let's come down and hit our TP1. There you go. So I'm in the trade, guys. I'm in a sell. I'm in a sell on gold. See if the markets want to play nice today. See if the markets want to play nice today. Got a potential here for about 110 pips. All right, we're about like 2 pips in profit. Right around entry. Right around entry. That's funny. All the haters are hilarious. Everybody is telling me to get out. That's funny. Good. If everyone is thinking buys, I want to think sells. You know, 90% of traders are not profitable, right? So go against the masses, baby. Up about 3 pips, 4 pips. She's looking lovely. She's looking lovely. Has a top wick. Come on, baby. Up about 10 pips. Come on, baby. 11 pips. Almost to TP1. Here we go. 18 pips. Almost there. Almost there. $18 pips, 19 pips. Come on, baby. Yeah, it's definitely too late to enter now. Definitely too late to enter now. $21 pips. 25, 26, 27. TP1 hit, baby. TP1 hit. Where's all my where's all my buyers at? Let's hear them horns one more time for the buyers. One time for the people in the back. You know what you do at TP1, guys. Take partials. Take partials, move your stops to break even. Shouldn't be losing on this trade anymore. Another win, another dollar, another day. That's a win, people. That's a win. We hit TP1. I went ahead and just closed my position. It was a nice little 16Ks. But I'm telling you, you should be taking, if this is your first win of the week or first profits of the week, you should be taking like 80%. It's up to you how much you want to take. But there goes that was for all my people that were buying. I love it, man. I mean, you guys, if you're buying, you can still hold it. I mean, eventually it'll turn around. But I hit my moneymaker already, TP1. You know? Trying to tell you. Who made money with me today? Let me know. Let me know in the chat. Absolutely ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. Guys, don't forget, right now, limited time, hit up the link. I have the new EA out, passing challenges like crazy in 1 to 2 days, doing challenges, prop firm challenges, starting with 50K accounts, 100K accounts, 200K accounts, and 500K accounts. Details in the link. Go to the link. It's the first button you'll see. Gold has been nice. What's my reason for shorting? Did you just get here, bro? Like, we did a whole analysis. Like, rewind the live, bro. Yeah, man. I have it all here. Look, this is gold on the 15-minute chart. Here's the link. The challenge service is open, limited time only. We're using a new EA, and the EA has passed 100% of the challenge accounts I've tested it on. It's been about like 8 different size accounts. Sorry, like 5 different size accounts, and then 2 different prop firms, and yeah, it's using high frequency trading, passes it in 1 to 2 days. Made money on 2 accounts. Nice. Great trade, Banks textbook. Appreciate it, brother. Appreciate it. I seen, yes, it can do a 20K, but I get better results with the 50K and up, and those are the only ones I'm offering. The smallest account, prop firm account I'm offering is the 50K. Oh. She's still melting. She's still paying out. I wonder if the buyers are still holding. I wonder if the buyers are still holding. My little Christmas present to you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed that little win. Nice little nugget. Just so you guys can go Christmas shopping this weekend. Yo, I gotta go Christmas shopping, man. I haven't, like, I got a couple of gifts, but I don't have, I'm missing like half my family. Buying and you're swing buying it, this drawdown is nothing for you. Like, you know, it's all gravy. It's all good. It's 35 pips if you're still holding. Like, it's nice. You know, this, I mean, more than likely it will turn around at some point. Probably New York session, you know. The breakout points, because I'm looking at levels of consolidation. Levels of consolidation and the nearest support and resistance based on the current time frame. Right? Yeah, if it's best if you watch. Like, if you really want to, like, hammer this strategy down, just go back and look at the past lives, bro. So the EA, the hedge fund EA, the one that passes the challenges, it works on US 30, NAS 100, and German 30. The scalper, the scalper EA, that one works on EU, AU, USD CAD, USD Swiss, USD JPY, and that works in about 1 to 2 days. It uses high frequency trading, and it just like smashes it every single time. Like I have not lost a challenge with that. Ooh, this thing is melting, man. Who's still in that? 37 pips. Sheesh. Should have held on a little longer. No, I'm happy with my profits. I shouldn't even be trading. I just took the trade because just like, oh, TP2. TP2. This is like disconnecting and connecting. I think it back on. Sheesh. 81 pips. You know what? The fam needs a little Christmas gift from Banks. Yeah, the LBFX Challenge Pass service. I honestly was not going to release it till 2023, but I had some people messaging me like asking if I was going to please release it for 2022. So I went ahead and turned the link on in the link tree. But I'll probably turn it off like after the live. Just wanted to get a few people testing the service, because I've like, not only is it doing on the EA, but the whole onboarding process and like the communication, all of that is like, that stuff goes a lot faster, you know? Are you gonna go live next week, Lord Banks? I don't think so, guys. Next week, like the holidays are coming up. Sorry, I'm like getting messages. Yeah, I don't know, man. I think I might just do like educational sessions next week. On the Discord, like maybe lives on the Discord, like not indicators, guys. No indicators. What you see on the screen is just marked up from when I do my top-down analysis, and I mark up my areas and mark up my targets. That's all you see. And really, traditionally, like I wouldn't even do that. I just do it because so you guys can see what is in my like my thought process and how I look at the charts, right? But yeah, if you're looking for the Discord link, guys, just go to this here, the link tree /LordBanksFX, and you'll find all the links there. The free Telegram, the Discord, which is also free, you know, the course if you want that, the passing your challenge service if you want that. All of that stuff is in there. I mean, this thing is melting, guys. 74, 75 pips. RIP buyers. How many of you guys ate today? Where's all my people from today? Comment your country. I want to see where we're at. Are we global today? 79, 80 pips. Look at us go. We're hitting TP3, guys. Ooh, should have held on to that one. 81, 80 pips. Jesus. New Zealand, Norway, España, Malaysia, USA, Australia, El Salvador, Ethiopia. Your eyes closed, those RRP. Canada, India, Vegas. What's good? Canada. What part of Canada? I spent a lot of time out there in Montreal. Mexico, South Africa, Zambia. What's good? I mean, this thing is in hella profits, guys. 82 pips. If you haven't closed partials, take some money, guys. Don't be greedy. Take a little bit of profit off the top. Move your stops into profit. You know, if it's still at stop, it's still at break even. This is you shouldn't be leaving this much money on the table. 85 pips, ridiculous. 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 I'm taking 220 pips now. Still holding. Germany, Vietnam. Nice. Nice. South Africa. Congratulations, guys, if you took this trade. Ooh, here comes TP3. 100 pips. 100 pips in profit, guys. Take your money, people. Take your money. Take your money. We're 10 pips away from TP3. Take that money. Don't be greedy. Take that money. Yeah, if you guys have questions on the EA for the Passing Your Challenge, guys, go to the link here, the first link. It'll answer all your questions of prop firms, like what account sizes, how much it is, and all that good stuff. Ozzy, what's good? Gold doing good this winter. She's being nice to us, man. She's being nice to us. Los Angeles, what's good? Edmonton. I've never been to Edmonton. Spent a lot of time in Montreal. I've been to Toronto, like Ontario and Quebec. So closed. I should have also got in gold. Nigeria, what's good? Maratis? I don't know where that's at. Italia. This is a nice trade, guys. Congrats to those who took it. Nice quick little trade. Don't be greedy, guys. You know, we're talking about here, this thing is like 9 pips away from hitting TP3. Don't be greedy. Look, it's almost, I mean, we're at 101. Yeah, like talking about 9 pips, guys. Kenya, take your money, guys. Take your money. Take that money. Take that money. Sheesh. Sheesh. So I do top-down analysis. So we're getting a question here. A recap, please. How did you analyze that market for gold? It was just top-down analysis from the monthly, weekly, daily. On the 4-hour, I identify my zones, my top and bottom zones, which are this area and this area. That kind of established my play area, right? And then in my play area, I look for areas of consolidation from the current price. The price was, I think, around here, somewhere like that. And I knew down here was the low, and then here was a little level of resistance where we see the previous level of support. So I put my breakout area there, breakout area there. We had this candle right here break out to the downside, and this is what triggered our sells, right? So this candle right here broke out, closed, right? We entered on the close of this candle. We put our stops right above here on the previous wick, because if the continuation is to continue and the market structure is to continue and play off the volume, then we know the movement is coming down and it shouldn't be creating new highs. So we put our stops above this high, entered here, and then just wrote it down, right? Our TP1 is 1-to-1, so we were risking about 29 pips there. Our first take profit was at 29 pips, and then our second take profit was at this next level here. If we're looking to the left, we see a level here of support. That was our second level. Our third level here, we have this bottom little level of support, right? So that's how I did the analysis. That's how I set up my target levels, my entries, my stops, And if you want to look at that in the real time, just go back and watch the video. There's tons of lives on my YouTube. You can watch the previous lives. All of them are on there. Not all of them are, but you can also watch the ones where I take L's, and you can see how I manage that. Active trade management, emotional management, psychology, all of that good stuff. Yeah, I don't think it's going to hit that TP3. I mean, it's already wicking out. So it might need to do a small correction to... I mean, looks like GJ is about to break out of here, but this is a massive impulse candle. So there's probably going to be some kind of correction to that. So if this breaks, I wouldn't enter on that candle. This type of candle, I wouldn't enter. That's one of my things I consider. So, just FYI. Just FYI. Nice little win for Christmas, for the holidays. Don't say Banks never gave you nothing. Yeah, I am live on YouTube. Like on YouTube, you can see my full chart. You can see my webcam. You can see the chat. Yeah, so. Anyways, I'm gonna hop off early, guys. I'm a little tired. We already got the win. I'm not gonna take a second trade for this trading session. I mean, that one was nice. I'm not gonna be on for New York because I'm looking at our at the EA passing the challenges. I'm just kind of on YouTube, man. You guys got a hella win. Savages. All right, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Trading session in the books. Executing analysis, strategy, and discipline. Thank you for joining us for this live trading session with Lord Banks. Subscribe and turn on alerts so you don't